Hey there, welcome to Accountant PDF onboarding video. Here in the dashboard, hit Process Statement now. Drag and drop your PDF or click Choose Files. Now click Upload All. Click Next. Add your client name, select their NICE code, choose cash or accrual accounting method. Add any additional information if needed. Now click again Next. Set the file password right here if you want. I'm skipping this. Review everything looks good. Client name, PDF files, client information, and security. Click Start Processing. Click Dashboard to return. Your classified Excel file will be ready for download here. Do you have any questions? Please feel free to contact support. You will find the contact information at the bottom of the dashboard. And that's it. You are ready to save hours on every client.